Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. South Africa's President Cyril Ramaphosa has announced a raft of new measures to crack down on illegal migration as tensions rise over anti-foreign marches and frustrations about high unemployment. In a national address on Sunday, Ramaphosa said the government will jail employers who hire undocumented workers, set up dedicated courts to speed up deportations, and create a national register with biometric data for every person in the country to stamp out identity theft. However, the president cautioned South Africans against taking the law into their own hands. Migration must be dealt with in accordance with the national and international laws, he said. The address comes as several African nations have started evacuating their nationals amid the growing fears of violence. Anti-migrant groups have demanded undocumented migrants to leave South Africa, setting 30 June as a deadline. Ramaphosa stressed that while government will act decisively on illegal migration, the rule of law must be upheld to prevent further instability. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.